So let's start from the exercise 6.3. Okay, so read the following question. Solve the following system of linear inequations. Hello, Rohit. How are you? So solve the following system of linear inequations graphically. So few linear inequation is given here. We have to draw their graphs. Okay. So let's start from question number 1. Fine you? Yes, I am also fine, Rohit. Okay. So let's start. Question number 1 is x greater or equal to 3. This is the first inequation, and the second inequation is y is greater or equal to 2. So we have to solve this graphically. So look at the process. So look, these are the two linear inequations. First, what we have to do? We have to convert them in linear equation. Inequation is given here. We have to converting them in equation. So writing the given inequation into equation we have. So if I rewrite this inequation into equation, so it will be x is equal to 3. Whatever the sign it is, greater than or less than, always we will write equal to 3, means we will make it in equation, and this equation will be converted into y is equal to 2. Now from class 9 we know how to draw this type of graph. So what we have done there? So from here we make a tabulation x upon y, and we choose at least 3 set of solution. So look here, x equal to 3, so value of x will be always 3, and choose any value of y. You can choose any value of y. So I am choosing 0, -1, and suppose 3 again. Instead of choosing this value, you can choose any value of y. Similarly, for y, for this equation, also set up a set of linear set of tabulation, means set of few values. So here y equal to 3. So the value of y will be always 3, and in place of x you can choose any value of y. So I will suggest you to give me few value of x. Give me few values of x quickly. You can put any value. So at least give me three value. 82. This is a huge number. Try to give it means very small value. -5 to +5. Yes, okay. So one number is 5. Second number 6. Okay. Second number 6, and the third number I am choosing. Okay, -4. So the solutions are 3, 0, 3, -1, 3, 3, and the solution corresponding to the second equation is 5, 2, 6, 2, -4, 2. Now we have to draw the graph. So let us consider a set of rectangular axes. We know this axis is called x-axis, and this vertical axis is called a y-axis, and the point when x-axis and y-axis intersect, this point is called origin. Now we will put the value 3, 0. Okay, so let 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and on the left hand side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now put 3, 0. So 1, 2, 3, 0. So 3, 0 will be this point. Next is 3 comma minus 1. So 1, 2, 3 and minus 1 means the negative direction of y. So this is 3 comma minus 1. And the second point is 3 comma 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 means it may be here. Okay. Now join them. If I join them, we have a straight line. Give it a name as AB. Give it a name as AB. So AB is the line representing the equation number 1. Similarly, put the value 5 comma 2. So 5 comma 2 will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. So this point 5 comma 2. Second point is 6 comma 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 comma 2. So this is 6 comma 2. And the third point is minus 4 comma 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Why we are going in the negative direction? Because the value of x is means coordinate of the so abscissa of the point is minus 4. So we'll move back 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2. Clear? Now join them. Okay. So give it a name. Suppose CD. So CD is the line represent equation number 2. So up to this we have done. Now we have to find out the region. Now look, what is this? It is greater or equal to sign. Okay, and this is the line. So in which direction the value of x will increase? Look, it has two procedures. Number one, if the line does not passes through the origin. So this is the origin and the line AB is obviously not passing through the origin. Then if it is greater than sign, so the region will be away from the origin. Mind it, if the sign is greater than 0, then the sign will be away from the origin. And if it is less than 0, then the arrow will be towards the origin. Got it? If the sign is greater than 0, provide this value must be positive. Okay, right hand side must be positive. So if the sign is greater or equal to, so the region will be away from the origin. And if it is less than 0, so the region will be towards the origin. So tell me, y greater or equal to 2. So in which direction the region will be? Towards origin or away from the origin? Look at the sign, it is greater than or equal to. So region will be in which direction? Towards origin or away from the origin? Waiting for your answer. The region will be look, I told you, if the sign is greater than or equal to, then the region will be away from the origin. And if the sign is less than equal to, then the region will be towards the origin. So here the sign is greater than or equal to, so the region will be away from the origin. Now look, this is the line, origin is this way, so our region will be away from the origin, means upward direction. So our region will be in upward direction. So solution means the portion of the graph satisfied by these two inequations. Now look, this portion is satisfied by both the graph, means both the inequation, x greater or equal to 3 and y greater or equal to 2. So this portion is the solution of your given inequation. North is common. Yes, north is common. So this portion is the region or the solution of this given inequation. So look, well, when we are solving equation, we get a single solution, single point. But when we solving inequation, we'll have a lot of points, lot of solutions. So any point in the region will be solution of this inequation. Okay, I'm taking one more example. Okay, then your doubts will be clear. Asnihar. Okay, I'm giving taking one more problem. Okay, and I hope you will understood them. Is that okay? Okay, so I'm grabbing the board now. and we'll choose one more problem. Just keep in mind that if the sign is greater than or equal to 0, the region will be away from the origin, and if the region will be sign is less than or equal to 0, so the region will be towards origin, provide the line must not be passed through the origin. Clear? Okay, so I am taking now question number 3. Question number 3, the first equation is 2x plus y is greater or equal to 6, and the second equation is 3x plus 4y. Okay, I think you can't see the board. I'll put this. Okay, so the first equation is 2x plus y is greater or equal to 6, and the second equation is 3x plus 4y is less equal to 12. This is your question number 3. Okay, so first we'll convert this inequation into equation. So converting this inequation, converting the inequation into equation, converting the inequation into equation. Hard one. Yeah, Rohit, this is the second question. I am starting this chapter. So first I am solving few simple questions, and then we'll go to the harder one. Okay, so as I'm starting it, so that's why I'm choosing the easiest problem. Okay, so the first equation will be 2x plus y is equal to 6, and the second equation will be 3x plus 4y is equal to 12. Now from these two equations we have to set up a set of solution. So from here we will calculate y is equal to 6 plus minus 2x. Now from here find out a set of solution. I think you are familiar with this process. Okay, so tell me one set of solutions. Suppose if I put x equal to 0, so what will be the value of y? So 6 minus 2 into 0. So 2 into 0 is 0, 6 minus 0 is 6. So 0 comma 6 is the solution. 0 comma 6 is a solution. Now suppose we are putting x equal to 2. So if I put x equal to 2, so 2 2s are 4. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. So 2 comma 2 is another solution. And now suppose I am putting 3, sorry, x equal to 3. So if I put x equal to 3, so can you tell me what will be the value of y? If I put x equal to 3 in equation number 1, this is our equation number 1, this is our equation number 2. Yes, value of y will be 0. Very good. Okay, so we have 3 solution from equation number 1. Similarly, we'll find out 3 solutions from the second equation. Okay, so let's start it. So from here 3x will be 12 minus 4y. That means x will be 12 minus 4y by 3. Now from here just set 3 set of solution. Okay, so first I am taking y equal to 0. If I put y equal to 0 here, can you tell me what will be the value of x? If I put y equal to 0, so what will be the value of x? 12 minus 4, yes, very good, that is equal to 4. Now put y equal to 3. Put y equal to 3. So 3 4s are 12. 12 minus 12, that is equal to 0. 0 by 3 means it will be 0. Now put 6 or 6. So 12 minus 6 into 4. So 12 minus 24. That is minus 12 by 3 equal to minus 4. If I put y equal to 6, then the value of x will be minus, sorry, minus 4. Okay, so you have from here the solution are 4 comma 0, 0 comma 3 and minus 4 comma 6. Okay, so solutions are now found. Now we'll draw the graph. Okay, so let us consider a set of rectangular axis. Let this is our y axis and let this is our x axis. This is the x axis, x dot axis, this is y and that is the y dash axis. This is origin. Now we'll take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now put 6, 0, comma 6. So 0, comma 6 will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this point 0, comma 6. The second point is 2, comma 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. So this point is 2, comma 2. And then 3, comma 0. 1, 2, 3, comma 0. Now join them. Give it a name. Let it is AB. So AB is the line represent the equation number 1. Similarly, from this set of solution, put the value 4, comma 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, comma 0 means this point. Then 0, comma 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. This point. And then minus 4, comma 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is this point. Now join them. Okay. So this is your CD. Okay. Now we'll find out the region. Now look, from equation number 1, the sign is greater than equal to. So if the sign is greater or equal to 0, so the region will be in which direction? Towards origin or away from the origin? The region will be towards origin or away from the origin? Quickly. Away from the origin. So our first line is this. Origin is this direction. So away from origin means the region will be in this direction. You can use 2 line or you can use more than 2 line like this. Okay, and now second equation is less than or equal to 0. So this is our line. Origin is this direction. So in which direction the region will be go? The arrow will be go in which direction? Towards origin or away from the origin? Towards. So this is the line. Origin is this direction. So the region will be in this direction. Now tell me which is the common portion. Is this a common region satisfied by these two linear inequation? You can say this portion is covered by both inequation. So this is the region or this is the solution of the given inequation. Okay, now tell me, have you understood? How? Now tell me, have you understood? And now asking her, you in previous question, you told me that you have few doubt. Now tell me, now do you have any doubt? No sir, okay, means you have understood. Now look, if you just look at the question from exercise 6.3, you found that all the questions are same type. So I will not solve all the questions, I will just solve different types of the questions. Okay, so question number, after question number 2, 3, we'll solve which question? Okay, we'll solve question number 11. It has it has 3 equations. Or question number 10, you can consider question number 10. Okay, so now let's solve question number 10. Sir? Sir? Sir, we can find the coordinates, but yes, you can, but actually we have not completed straight line also. Otherwise, we can put the equations into interceptic form, and then we can directly draw the line. But as we have not means done that chapter, so that's why I am solving it like that. Yes, x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Then the equation, then the line intersect at the point a comma 0 and 0 comma b. We can solve it directly from setting the equation in intercepting form. Okay, now I am doing question number 10. I am doing question number 10. Question number 10. So question number 10 is 3x plus 4y is less equal to 60. 3x plus 4y is less equal to 60, and 3x plus x plus 3y is less equal to 30, and x greater equal to 0, y greater equal to 0. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 a set of inequation. We have to find out the common region bounded by this 4 equation. Okay, so first we'll convert this inequation into equation form. Okay, so if I convert this inequation into equation form, we have 3x plus 4y is equal to 60, and the second equation will be converted into x plus 3y is equal to 30. Third equation will be x equal to 0 and it will be y equal to 0. Okay, now from here find a set of solution x corresponding to y. Okay, so before finding the solution, okay, so if I convert this equation into intercepting form, so have you any problem? Okay, we're doing in this method. Okay, so here 3x will be 60 minus 4y. That means x will be equal to 60 minus 4y by 3. So from here find a set of solution. From this equation, x will be equal to 30 minus 3y. So from here also set up a set of solution. And x equal to 0 is the y axis, and y equal to 0 is the x axis. Okay, so now from here we have to find out the solution. Okay, so first we are putting y equal to suppose 0. So if I put y equal to 0, then the value of x will be 60 by 3. That means 20. If I put x equal to suppose 3, then what will be the value of y, value of x? If I put x equal to 3, y equal to 3 here, so what will be the value of x? 60 minus 4 into 3. Tell me the value. 60 minus 4 into 3 by 3. 60 minus 4 into 3 by 3. Quickly do the calculation and tell me the answer. Yes, 16. Very good. Now put x equal to suppose 6. Then 60 minus 4 into 6 by 3. Tell me the answer. No, not 6. Do the calculation one again. It will be not 6. Yes, 12. So the solutions are 20, 0, 16, 3 and 12, 6. And from here, okay, so first take y equal to, suppose take y equal to 10. So value of x will be 30 minus 3 into 10. Yeah, that will be 0. If I put suppose 5, so it will be 15. If I put suppose 6, it will be 12. Okay, now just put the inequation graphically. Okay, so if I so 5, 10, 15, 20, minus 5, minus 10, and this is 5. We are taking 5, 5. Division as 5, 5. Minus 5, minus 2. So first point is 20, 0. So 20, 0 will be this point. 16, 3. 16, 3 will be approximately here, and 12, 6 will be here. So if I draw it, so if I draw it, the line will be passes like this, and the look at the sign, it is less than equal to 0. So the origin will be towards the origin. Okay. Now the second equation, 20, 25, 30. So 30, 0 and 10, 0. If I draw the second equation, it will be passes through the 10, 0, 10 and 30, 0. And as the sign is less equal to 0, so its region will be towards the origin. And x greater equal to 0. So x greater equal to 0 will be this, and y greater equal to 0 will be this. So now from here we have to find the region satisfied by the this 4 graph. So you can see that the common region is this portion. So that will be the solution of this given inequations. So students, actually we have there's no time left now, so that's why I have to do it so very hurriedly, very quickly. Okay. So next day we'll solve few more problems from here, because today we don't have any time. Clear? So see you in my next class, and do just one thing. You try to solve few questions from here.